Alright peeps, this video is going to show you how you can check articles on Wikipedia for their credibility and reliability. To begin, let's start how we all begin. When we have a question, we Google the answer. So we want to learn a little bit more about the French and Indian War. Okay, and the first response we all normally get is from Wikipedia, so let's click on that. Here we get the normal Wikipedia page, complete with the description here, images, we even got lists of people, that's great. But we want to make sure that this article on the French and Indian War is reliable. So let's go up to the talk page here. It's the top left-hand corner. Click on that. And when you get to that, you get a nice big yellow box. And this big yellow box lists a whole bunch of different organizations that go around and grade articles on Wikipedia that relate to their organization. So this is the Wiki Project of France. It relates to the French and Indian War, so they went ahead and graded this article based on their own quality scale, or the Wikipedia's quality scale. And they rated it a B. All these other organizations rated it a B except for the military history one, which said it's a start class. Now what does all that mean? Let's look at the quality scale. The quality scale is pretty much a grade for every article in Wikipedia. It starts with like a beginning article. This article is just developing, it's quite incomplete, needs some help. We go up from B's, and that's what this French and Indian article is. It says it's mostly complete without major problems. It's pretty good, but it needs some help to get to the really good status, which is a good article, an A, or what is called a featured article status. For anything that we're using in class, I think if you find articles that are B or above, you'll be fine. Let's go back to the French and Indian War. So if we leave the talk page and go back to the description page, the article page, let's try and find an article, a link to an article that may not be as reliable. So let's maybe click on the Fort Duquesne here, which is part of the French and Indian War. We're looking now at the Fort Duquesne. It looks pretty complete, a normal Wikipedia page, but let's look at the talk page. Okay, these three organizations have rated it, but they all rate it as a start class, so like a beginning article. So we wouldn't be able to really use this wiki article as a source of information. We would need to go somewhere else. Of course, there are other ways to double check to see if information on a wiki article is correct, and that is to what is called corroborate the information. That is to confirm or support the information by finding additional information that is similar. So let's corroborate this information on the French and Indian War that we found in this wiki article by maybe doing another Google search, and we get to the history.com article on the French and Indian War. We can rely on the history.com website, and if the information in this website is the same as the wiki article up here, we know we can probably rely on both the wiki article and the history.com website. So that is two pretty good ways, either through looking at the talk tab or corroborating the information. Two good ways to look at wiki articles and check their credibility and reliability. I hope you use this in the future whenever you're doing more of your research. Thank you. Goodbye.